Ever wonder what makes you sneeze and get sick? Let's meet the tiny troublemakers, germs. Germs are super tiny living things so small you need a microscope to see them. They can sneak into your body through your nose, mouth, or even a cut in your skin. Once inside, some germs can make you sick, but your body's defense army fights back. The best way to beat germs? Wash your hands, cover sneezes, and stay healthy. Stay germ-free and strong, and don't forget to subscribe to Silver Frames Official for more quick science facts.